Google's Gemini has been making waves in the AI world, marking a significant shift in how we interact with artificial intelligence. Today, I want to break down everything you need to know about this suite of AI models and applications that's positioning itself as a major competitor to ChatGPT and other AI tools. Let's start with what Gemini actually is. At its core, Gemini is Google's next-generation family of AI models, developed through a collaboration between Google DeepMind and Google Research. What makes it particularly interesting is its native multimodal capabilities, meaning it can work with text, images, audio, and video right out of the box, unlike its predecessors that were primarily focused on text. The Gemini family comes in several flavors, each designed for different use cases. At the top of the line, we have Gemini Ultra, their most powerful model, though it's currently not widely available. Then there's Gemini Pro, which is the current flagship model, with its latest iteration being Gemini 2.0 Pro. For faster, more efficient processing, there's Gemini Flash and its lighter version, Flash Lite. They've also introduced Gemini Flash Thinking, which adds reasoning capabilities to the mix. Finally, for mobile devices, there's Gemini Nano, which comes in two versions, Nano 1 and the more capable Nano 2. What sets Gemini apart from previous AI models is its training approach. Google trained these models on a diverse range of data, including public content, proprietary information, and licensed material across multiple formats. This comprehensive training allows Gemini to understand and generate not just text, but also images, audio, and even code. However, it's important to note that this training approach hasn't been without controversy. The use of public data for AI training has raised ethical and legal questions, leading Google to implement an AI indemnification policy for certain cloud customers. This policy, while helpful, does have limitations and carve-outs that users should be aware of. Now let's talk about how you can actually use Gemini. The most straightforward way is through the Gemini apps, which are essentially the front-end interfaces for interacting with these AI models. On the web, you can access Gemini at gemini.google.com. For Android users, Gemini has replaced the Google Assistant app, while iOS users can access it through the Google and Google Search apps. One of the more interesting features is how Gemini integrates with various Google services. If you're a Google One AI Premium Plan subscriber, paying $20 per month, you get access to Gemini Advanced and various integrations with Google Workspace apps. This includes AI-powered features in Gmail, Docs, Slides, Sheets, and more. The capabilities of these integrations are quite impressive. In Gmail, for instance, Gemini can help write emails and summarize threads. In Google Docs, it assists with writing and refinement, while in Slides, it can generate both slides and custom images. The integration extends to Google Maps, where it can analyze reviews and provide travel recommendations, and to Google Drive, where it can summarize files and provide quick insights about projects. For developers, Google has made Gemini available through APIs with different pricing tiers. The pricing structure is based on tokens, with different rates for input and output tokens. For example, Gemini 1.5 Pro costs 1.25 cents per million input tokens for shorter prompts and $5 per million output tokens, while Gemini Flash is significantly cheaper at 5 cents per million input tokens. One of the most innovative aspects of Gemini is its mobile implementation, particularly through Gemini Nano. This version can run directly on devices like the Pixel 8 Pro, Pixel 8, and Samsung Galaxy S24, enabling features like conversation summarization in the Recorder app and smart replies in Gboard, even without an internet connection. Looking at the future, Google has some interesting developments in the pipeline. They're working on expanding Gemini's capabilities, including potential integration with Apple's ecosystem. Apple has confirmed they're in talks to incorporate Gemini and other third-party models into their Apple Intelligence suite, though specific details haven't been revealed yet. The competition in the AI space is intensifying, with Gemini positioning itself against established players like OpenAI's ChatGPT, Meta's Llama, and Microsoft's Copilot. Each has its strengths, but Gemini's integration with Google's ecosystem and its multimodal capabilities make it a compelling option for both casual users and developers. However, it's worth noting that Gemini, like all current AI models, isn't perfect. It can still produce hallucinations, generating incorrect or made-up information, and carries inherent biases from its training data. Google acknowledges these limitations and continues to work on improvements. For businesses considering Gemini, the enterprise features are particularly noteworthy. Through Google's Vertex AI platform, companies can customize Gemini Pro for specific use cases and integrate it with third-party data providers like Moody's and Thomson Reuters. This flexibility makes it a powerful tool for business applications, from customer service to data analysis. The introduction of Gemini Live has added another dimension to the platform's capabilities. This feature enables voice-based interactions with Gemini, allowing for natural conversations and real-time adaptations to user speech patterns. It's particularly useful for tasks like interview preparation or public speaking practice. Looking ahead, Google's commitment to developing Gemini suggests we'll see continued improvements and new features. The company's focus on making AI more accessible while addressing concerns about safety and ethical use indicates a balanced approach to AI development. For those interested in trying Gemini, starting with the free version is a good way to explore its capabilities. The premium features through Google One AI Premium plan offer additional functionality for those who need more advanced features or integration with Google Workspace apps. As we wrap up, it's clear that Gemini represents a significant step forward in AI technology. Its multimodal capabilities, integration with Google's ecosystem, and focus on practical applications make it a powerful tool for both individual users and enterprises. While it's not perfect, its ongoing development and Google's commitment to addressing limitations suggest an exciting future for this AI platform. Remember to stay informed about updates and new features as they're released, as the AI landscape continues to evolve rapidly. Whether you're a casual user, developer, or business leader, understanding Gemini's capabilities and limitations will help you make the most of this powerful AI tool.